fourth B, seventh question. The concept is multiple roots. Multiple roots means the equation is possessing same roots which are same types. Let us take a third order equation having roots alpha, beta, gamma. In that, if it is alpha is equal to 2, example beta also 2. So gamma is different. We have multiple roots. Sometimes gamma also 2 also. Nothing wrong in that. The multiple roots means same root number of times. This comes as multiple roots. Clear? So that is the
Yes,
question.
sir.
Let us how to solve such a kind of problems. Let us take the 7th question is like that only. Solve the equations given that they have multiple roots. Let us take a first question. X power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x
Plus
square
13x square
minus
minus
24
24x
plus
plus
36
30
is equal to 0.
equals to 0.
Let us this equation having a multiple roots. They are telling multiple roots. Okay, multiple roots means which is having a same root. There are four roots. How many roots here? Four roots. Example alpha,
4.
beta, gamma, delta. Okay, multiple roots means the roots are same. If it is alpha is equal to some value, the value equal to beta also same value, like that. So multiple roots they are telling it is clear. So how you have to solve these problems when they mention multiple roots? So first of all, f of x. Let us take a question is f of x. X power 4 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36. F of x. After that, multiple roots means you no need to solve for f of x. You can go for f dash of x. You can take solve f dash of x. When the multiple roots will come, solve f dash of x. Why I am telling? I'll tell you. X power 4 means 4x cube. How much it is there? 18x square or minus 18, right? 60 18x square plus 26x minus 24. Am I clear? X power 4 means 4x cube. 6x cube means x cube is 3x square. So 60 is 18. 13x square. 13 to 26x minus
Yes, sir.
24 equal 0. So solve f of x. For
Yes,
now
sir.
you
Yes.
solve f dash of x. You solve. You have to solve f dash of x. F dash of x one root is as that of f of x also. Example, after solving f dash of x, let us take how to solve this third order equation previously. How to solve previously without any condition. We have to go for
We
trailer,
found
trailer and
S1,
error method.
S2,
Yeah, trailer.
and
No,
we found alpha,
so
and we
here
substituted.
there is no
Yes.
S1, S2, S3 here. Why we should not enter S1, S2, S3 means if they mention any condition, you have to do S1, S2, S3. Did they mention it?
Multiple.
Multiple roots mean I was taken f
Yes,
of
sir.
x,
Yes.
I converted f dash of x. That's all. It means f of x is a equation. What are the roots is there that f of x all f dash of x also
Okay.
follow. That is the condition. Multiple roots. Let us take f of x కి మీకు 2, 3, 4 ఇట్లా ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I'll come to this example. This is third order equation. This third order equation example I'm taking. After solving this example 2, 3, 4 you are having roots. So if it is f of x means they have one more root you'll get. That root is 2, one more 2 also, at least one more 3 or we may one more 4 also. We cannot expect. Some root is common. That is what I don't want to do f of x. I'll be take f dash of x. That is what the multiple roots condition. After solving, you'll get some clear understanding here. Okay, let us I'll continue. For without any condition, we have to trailer and error method. Trailer and error method. So how to substitute? This is you take it a general question. So let us take f dash of x. You substitute how much value? First trailer method. What you have to do? 0, -1, +1, -2, +2. Like that, you keep on you substitute here. Okay. If it is still you not clear, you will go -3, +3, -4, +4. Keep on you continue like this till you get this sequence should be satisfied. So I don't want to try all these things. 0 it is not satisfied because -24, -1 this you are not supposed. Whenever you tried, you may get answer f of 3 you'll get. Okay, it means if you substitute x is equal to 3, this equation going to be satisfied. So 3 is a root. Are you clear? So why I'm substituting directly
Yes,
3
sir.
means I don't want to work it out. If you start work being a student, 0, -1, 1, 2, -2, whatever value substitute till here, this equation is not equal to 0. So these are not roots. Then I was under -3 not satisfied, 3 is satisfied. So I'll stop 3 only. So 3 is a root for this equation. It means One more 3 also root for this equation. Please try to understand. Now 3 is a root. Out of this equation posing a 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. Out of one root you got. One more delta is there. That delta also value is 3 only. That is for this. Are you clear? No need to do this for.
F dash 3 is 228 వచ్చింది sir.
Yeah. F dash of. Yeah, tell me.
F dash 3
Yeah.
228 వచ్చింది.
223. 228 రాదు. You have to see clearly. 4 into 27 minus 18 into 9 plus 26 into 3 minus 24. Can I substitute? You are going to get 108 minus 162 plus 78 minus 24. So this you need to add, this you need to add. Both are same, it's cancelled. Answer is 0. If you're not getting not equal to 0, it means you are having some error calculation. Nothing wrong in that. Okay. Do one side.
4 3s are yes
It
sir,
is
yes.
4 cube. It is not 4 square. 4 4
yes.
is 16, 16 3 like that. Okay. So 3 is the root. Clear? Now let us, I'll take the fresh yours, f dash of x. What is the question here? F dash of x, 4x cube.
4x cube plus 18x square plus 26x minus 24 equals to 0.
Plus 26x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, right. So thing is simple here. Here you got one answer. What is the answer here? X is equal to 3 you got. Okay.
Yes.
X is equal to 3 got means whatever other 3 roots. You don't know how to the procedure, right? Do it out. 4 minus 18, 26 minus 24. Start working over here. 3 you can take. So I'll do one more thing for your understanding. I'll do other way also. One root you got it right. You should not enter like this. I'll say one thing. F dash of x is equal to what I can say. What is the answer here? 4x cube, 18x
4x
square
cube plus 18x square plus 26x minus 24.
For this we have a 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. In that alpha you got how much? 3. Beta, gamma you can find this. Okay, that is okay. Okay, I'll tell you. Now let us take f of x. What is f of x?
Beta gamma also 3 only no sir.
No, beta gamma not 3. Multiple roots mean that value, another value. One more value also. Delta is also 3. Okay.
Yes.
So let us take f of x. X power 4, 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36 is equal to 0. Clear? This is f of x.
Yes.
So this f of x, how many roots are there? 4 roots. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. 4 roots. Now listen very careful. What is the alpha value? 3.
3.
Beta also you take it 3. Multiple roots. Gamma, delta you need to find out. That is your duty. Okay. Once I'm very clear. They mentioned question it is there. Fourth order equation they mentioned.
Yes.
You are not supposed to find directly by substituting trial and error method. You can do it out fourth order also, but doing fourth order is very easy. Doing third order is very easy. So simplicity, third order becomes easy. So why I should take third order? They mention multiple roots means when they mention multiple roots, you can take f dash of x for do this analysis trial and error method. What are the roots you are going to get initial? That also same as that of f of x also. So that is what one root is minus 3, other also. So one root is 3, other root also 3 for this fourth order equation. Okay, 2 roots you got. You have to find out rest of 2 roots. Clear? Are you following me or not? So rest of 2 how you got is,
Yes.
let us, you have to apply the method for same thing over here. So let us try to take your procedure. How to do it is the procedure here. I think you're very comfortable, right? How to do is 1. For this you have to take this only. F of x you have to take 1 minus 6, yeah, 13 minus 24, 36. So what I have to do first? One root, you know what is the root? 3. 0 plus
3.
1, 1, 3 1s are 3, minus 3. How much it is? Minus 9. How much answer here? Plus 4. 12. How much
Yes,
it is there? Minus 12, minus 36. Answer is 0. Okay. One root is gone,
0.
but they're telling one more route,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Multiple routes means you can do other route also. Very important. Again, do once again. 1, 3, 0, 0, 4, 12, 0. Gone. Two routes gone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the fourth order.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes.
third order. This is second order. Simple. You can write x square plus 0 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x square plus 4 is equal to 0. X square equal to minus 2. X is equal to under root of minus 2. X is equal to plus or minus 2i. Okay. Yeah, minus 4. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, right. Minus 4. Right. So you can say alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 3, gamma is equal to 2i, delta is equal to minus 2i. You got 4 roots. Okay. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So it's very clear. When they
Clear.
mention any fourth order, 10th order, whatever it is, multiple roots means take f of x. You can do trade error method for f of x also. But why don't you waste your time for big equation? Take it f dash of x. Do analysis for f dash of x. Find a root. Do your calculation for f of x. This method. Okay. They mention
Yes,
multiple
sir.
roots. If they mention
Yes.
3 roots are same, that time you can go other also. Nothing wrong in there for higher order. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I move to forward?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I don't want to waste your time. Second question is the seventh bit second question. Do it or homework. Okay. Right. Do it
Yes.
if you not get, I'll answer. I'll move it forward. Okay. Next, I'll go to third bit. Third bit first question. Third bit first question.
Solve x. Yes, sir. Solve x power 4 plus x cube minus 16x square minus 4x plus 48 equals to 0.
X
Given that
power
the
4
product of two of the roots is 6.
minus 16x square minus 4x plus 48 is equal to 0. This is a clear equation for yours. Okay. What they mentioned,
Yes, sir.
the given that the product of the roots is
2 root 6.
2 roots is 6. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2 roots means what you can do?
Alpha, beta.
Yeah. How many roots here? Alpha, beta,
4.
gamma, delta. There are 4 roots for you. Clear, right?
Yes.
So out of
Yes,
4
sir.
roots, they mentioned the product of 2 roots is 6. It means they mention condition here. What is the condition here? Alpha into beta is equal to 6. Or else you can take gamma delta. Whatever you can take, it doesn't matter here. So alpha into beta is equal to 6. Clear, right? This is a condition. You have to find 4 roots. That is the thing. Yeah, nothing. There is no multiple roots. Nothing. There is simple condition. How you have to do. When they mention condition, you have to go for S1, S2, S3. That is important. S1, S2, S3, S4. Okay. I don't want to go all because I required S4. I am going S4 only. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. What is the answer here? Minus, plus, minus, plus 48. Clear? S4 is
Yes, sir.
48. So I think already you know here alpha beta is equal to 6. Substitute alpha beta is equal to 6. What is the gamma delta?
Oh. 6 into. Yes.
And the answer. How much answer?
7.
Huh? 8 ja.
6, 7.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please practice tables. Okay. Gamma delta is equal to 8. Okay. You got two things here. For a fourth order equation, what you got? Very important this question model. Alpha beta is equal to 6. Delta also 8. Okay. Fourth order equation means I am taking a 2 second order equations. Okay.
Yes.
Let us take a P. This is one equation. This other equation, x square gamma plus delta into x plus q is equal to 0. This I'll take alpha beta gamma delta. Okay, I don't want to touch this. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
This is one second order equation. This is one second order equation because 2 second order equation should multiply, you'll get fourth order equation. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. For this, what they mentioned here?
6 alpha beta
I
equals to
substituted
6.
here x square alpha plus beta. I don't know. I'm take it p for my convenient. Nothing wrong in that. Plus 6 into x square. I'm taking it as q for my convenient because when you're doing it, it becomes complex. That is what I'm taking. It till clear. So
Yes, sir.
this you multiply. This you have to multiply. After multiply, what you are going to get an equation. I'm writing directly x power 4 plus p plus q into x cube. You can copy directly. After longer time, you try it out just after calculation. Plus pq plus 14x square minus 8p 86q into x plus 48 is equal to 0. This is you are doing a calculation of two second order equations. You are getting this equation. Okay, clear?
Yes. Clear.
Okay, yeah. For this, what you has to understand here it is. What is our equation actually? What is our regular equation? What is the question here? X power 4 plus x cube
Plus x cube
minus
minus
16x
16x
square
square
4x plus
minus
48.
4x plus 48.
It means if you there are this is the equation our this is our question. Okay, this question is equal to our analysis because our analysis is according to the condition.
Yes.
Alpha beta is equal to 6, gamma delta is equal to 6. This is the product of 2. That's what I took the two second order equations. I did off. So this equation is equal to this equation. So I wanted to compare these two equations because both are same. Okay. So when you compare these, what you're going to get? P plus Q is equal to what? How much answer?
P
P
plus
plus
q
Q is equal to 1. Compare x cube
yes, sir.
quotient 1. Next
Okay.
year 8p plus 86q is equal to how much answer here?
4
Minus 4.
minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay. Minus if it is a minus minus cancel 4 you can write directly. So I'm writing directly here. So P plus Q is equal to first case P plus Q is equal to 1. Second case 8p plus 6q is equal to 4. Okay. Equation number 1, equation number 2, solve both.
Yes.
After solving both, you are going to get an answer. P is equal to 5, Q is equal to minus 6. This LKG calculation you can do as like a 10th class mathematics. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After getting P and Q, why you find out P and Q? That is the question here. Once you know the value of P, you know alpha plus beta, right? Am I clear? It's
Yes, sir.
once you value P, no, you can get alpha
Yes,
plus
sir. We
beta. Once you
substituted.
find Q, you get gamma plus delta. Okay. After that, you'll get you can easily find out rest of the roots. Are you clear? So
Yes.
our aim is to find out alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay. At least I know alpha plus beta. At least I know gamma plus delta. By using alpha plus delta, alpha beta, I can find alpha minus beta. I'll get alpha beta. If I know alpha plus gamma plus delta, I know gamma into delta. I can find gamma minus delta, and I'll find a gamma delta individually. You don't worry about that. So before finding of all these things, first you find alpha plus beta and gamma plus delta. So I got once you find P, you'll get alpha plus beta. Once you find Q, you get gamma plus delta. Okay. Let us. I'll try to take the analysis of question. I'll move forward. So P is clear, right? P is equal to what? Alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Next,
5.
gamma plus delta is equal to minus 6. Clear? I'll write in the next page to do
Yes.
analysis of my own. Alpha plus beta is equal to how much, Nana? P value 5. Alpha into beta
5
6.
minus
What
6.
about alpha minus beta? Tell me by your own talent. Gamma plus delta is equal to how much?
5.
Q value minus 6. Gamma delta is equal to 8. How to find gamma minus delta? By your talent, you tell me. Okay, we cannot say directly,
Yes.
you know, because I told you gamma minus delta whole square equal to gamma plus delta whole square minus 4 alpha beta.
Minus.
Okay,
Yes.
plus and product unte ila cheyచ్చు. Okay, for this alpha minus
Yes.
beta you find. Okay, after this equation number 1, equation number 2 solve, you'll get alpha beta. Okay, So
Yes,
gamma
sir.
minus delta whole square nothing but gamma plus delta whole square minus or minus 4 gamma delta. So this you know, this you know, you can find this. So gamma minus delta you know. So equation number 3, equation number 4 you solve, you'll get gamma delta. Okay. So alpha beta you got, gamma delta you got. So final answer is over. Am I clear? It's
Yes,
for your
yes.
convenient. I am writing the answers for this 2 comma 3 for this. Other is minus 4 comma minus 2. Yeah, tell me question. How? Yeah, tell. Yeah. How you know? You tell me. Yeah. Yeah, tell me. Yeah. How you know that? ఎట్లా తెలుసు? Without knowing this, how can you guess the answer? I'll
అంటే
give the
6 ని 3 into 2 లా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా అంటున్నారు సార్.
but this is the procedure you can find out. I'll try to say one more question to you. Let us example. I'll give that alpha into beta is equal to, so let us 5 2 3 5 6. Alpha beta is equal to some other value, some 5000. Let us say some answer. You tell me now. How can you do that? Is it possible? When we know this LKG thing, we can do it out. Okay, everything should be satisfied. We cannot expect. Okay, but a smaller thing we can expect, but we don't want to expect always. We are not supposed to get it out. That is what I'm telling. You have to think and you can take own decision. So here you got. Now you did you understand it? Tell me for this. Will you guess? Possible you can guess and you can write it down. If it is not how you get it out, there was a procedure is there you can follow. Okay, now clearly. This is the way of procedure you can continue that. Okay, both ways you can do. For higher order things we cannot move. That is what I'm telling the method. Am I clear? Yeah. This question is
Yes,
very
sir.
important. If you understand this question, other questions, next question is depend upon this process only. Let us all try to move next question. Second question, I'll give that some hint and I'll move forward. The case is simple. 8x power 4 to 2x cube minus 27x cube, 27x square. I'm sorry. Next plus 6x minus plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. This is fourth order equation. Fourth order equation they mentioned. What are they mentioned?
Yes,
You
sir.
wrote condition. What they mentioned?
Condition.
The given roots two
Two
have
roots have same absolute value,
both same opposite signs. They mention alpha, beta,
but opposite sign.
gamma, delta. 4 roots ఉన్నాయి. 2 roots same but different signs. If it is example alpha is 3, beta how much answer? -3. If gamma is 4, delta also -4. Both are same but opposite signs. So from this what you can understand
Yes,
condition?
sir.
Alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Gamma plus delta is equal to 0. Can I write like this? Both are same, different
Yes,
signs.
sir.
అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది యాడ్ చేసి 0 అవుతుంది. From this you understand there is a condition they
Yes.
mentioned default. Okay, this is the data they mentioned. Now you have to working on that. So to understand this, what I have to do is S1 I'll take. S1 means alpha plus beta, gamma plus delta. What is the answer here? Minus of minus 2 by 8. Answer is 1 by 4. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value of alpha plus beta?
0.
Alpha plus beta is 0. They mentioned 2 roots have same sign, absolute values are 0. So 2 roots are narrow. So don't want to take 4 roots because only 2 roots they mentioned. Any 2 roots. Let us I'll take this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 roots and one there are set of roots there. Both are same but opposite sign. Don't want to take this. This 0. So this is 0. So this is 0 means what you get alpha gamma plus delta? 1 by 4. Am I clear? They mentioned condition 2
Yes,
roots
sir.
are same, different signs. Other 2 roots they didn't mention. That is what I take this one. This I take. This is 0. Other summation is this one. Okay. Let us I'll try to
Yes, sir.
move forward. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Gamma plus delta is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. This is a condition they mentioned. So for this same analysis I'll try to do x square alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is one second order. Other second order, alpha plus x square gamma plus delta into x plus gamma delta is equal to 0. Clear?
Yes.
So previously logic is this, you know, previous question. Now unfortunately, what is the value, you know? This value, you know now. This value, you know. Please substitute here. Unknown parameter, this is take it p, this is take it q for your understanding. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I have to do, x square 0 into x 0, I don't want to touch, plus p, x square p. This is x square 1 by 4 into x plus q is equal to 0. These two equations you multiply, you'll get a fourth order equation. I'm writing for directly fourth order equation. X power 4 1 by x cube 27 by 8 x square plus 3 by 4x plus 9 by 8. Okay, this is our question. After you multiply this, what you're going to get it is x square plus p x power 4 plus 1 by 4 x cube plus what I have to do is then you multiply these are all right. I'll write directly for understanding plus p x square and 1 by x, right? Okay, x power 4 1 by 4 into x cube plus p plus q into x square and p by 4 into x plus pq. This is this equation. After converting this, you got equation. This is our question. Okay. Our question is there. Our after your transformation, you got this equation. Okay, right. Compare these two equations. What you're going to get it out? What's the value of p plus q? P plus q, you'll get this one. X square minus 27 by 8. P into q get 9 by 8. Okay. Are you clear? Can I write clearly? We're getting
Yes, sir.
confusion. I'll write very clearly. Here, take your question. What is the question here? X power 4 8 x power 4 minus 1 by 4 x cube
Minus 24 by
27 by x
27 by
square.
8 square plus 3 by 4x plus 9 by 8 equals to
Okay.
x square.
After conversion, you got our question is 1 by 4 x cube minus 27 by 8 p plus q, right? P plus q x x 1 by x cube p plus q x square it is here. P plus q into x square minus p by 4x plus pq is equal to 0. This is a question. This is our conversion. Now compare these two. These two you can compare. P plus q is equal to 27 by 8.
Minus 27 by 8.
Okay. P minus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So P into Q is equal to 9 by 8. Our requirement is enough. P plus Q is equal to 27 by 8. P into Q is
Minus
equal to 9 by 8. Minus minus cancel. I don't want to touch that. Okay. After solving these two equations,
yes.
am I clear it? You are going to find out value of P and Q. P is equal to minus 3. Then Q is equal to minus 3 by 8. Just now you told me that P plus Q and P into Q, I know I will find out. Now tell me without doing, tell me. You're a topper, right? Now tell me. How can you expect? This is not possible. Definitely go for procedure. Okay. That is what. Okay. Do procedure. P minus Q, find it. You'll get it answer. P is equal to minus 3. Q is equal to minus 3 by 8. I don't want to do it. You can do it out. P minus Q whole square is equal to P plus Q whole square minus 4 PQ. You can get it out. Okay. After get P minus Q, this and this you solve, you'll get P and Q. After you get it out, P and Q, what you have to do? Substitute here. Simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After substituting, what you get? P is equal to alpha plus beta. Q is equal to P is equal to alpha beta. Q is equal to gamma delta, right? Okay.
Yes.
That I has to write down now. P is equal to what? Alpha plus beta is equal to -3. It is am I clear? Alpha into beta, right? Sorry to this inconvenience here. This is 0 already mentioned. Alpha into beta is equal to P -3. -3, 3 by 8. -3. Then gamma plus delta is equal to how much? 1 by 4. Gamma into delta is equal to how much?
minus
-3 by 8.
3 by
Okay, by doing this, you'll get alpha beta. By doing this, you'll get gamma delta. Clear?
yeah.
So this is the way you have to do that second question. Are you clear or any doubt?
Clear.